现在在乌克兰这边呢，有非常多不同的志工服务。因为我这趟来到乌克兰，其实一开始的目的是希望可以找到志工服务，长期在那边帮忙。但是因为我的签证后来只申请到7天，扣掉前后2天，剩5天。我主要在找志工的网站是在这个 volunteeringukraine.com， 大家可以在这上面看到有一些就是志工服务的资讯。最后终于有一个回信我了，那就是我今天要带大家去的 Kitty Pacheski。Kitty Pacheski 它是地方的志工服务团队，2022年的2月居民自发性组成。他们的 logo 呢是一只可爱的猫咪，然后上面戴着军帽。其实这个 logo 主要是为了想要降低大家对于战争的想象跟可怕，然后让大家可以更进一步的去帮忙当地乌克兰他们可能需要的一些资源。那主要在这个志工服务团里面呢，有非常多可以协助的，比如说他们会做迷彩网，会做蜡烛，甚至是就是到一些比较偏乡啊，他们会去做帮忙协助分发食物，做一些心灵支持或邻里互助。他们这边有很多志工，也蛮希望就是借由这次的影片，可以让大家知道他们的宗旨、他的目的，然后把这件事情传出去。因为他们的宗旨里面就有很欢迎社群媒体来采访，尤其是外国的志工来到这边帮忙。今天呢，就是要去做志工服务，那里面的 Eric 也是跟我联络窗口，现在带大家进去吧。
Welcome to Ukraine.
Eric, right?
Yes, I'm Eric.
Eric, I'm Tina.
Hi, Tina. Nice to meet you.
I'm just going to say what these people are used to. They're very quiet. They're very chill. They're older. Some of them are younger. We'll go up and see some of the younger people on the other floor. They're super friendly.
Super friendly.
They know you're coming.
So lovely.
Welcome to Kitty Pacheers. A man owns this building, and he has many people who rent offices, but he gives us our location for free as a donation.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Tina,
meet
thank you.
It is not net, it is the ghillie suit for snipers, for some other troops of our militaries to hide them. And we have some people who cut our fabrics.
Yeah,
and
yeah, we need to
our-
cut.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
它这个必须要分段剪，他们有不同的步骤，像每个人步骤不太一样，所以是好几个人一起协助完成的。For different colors, so you have to arrange which one have to be tied up, right? So normally that would.
Here, I'm colorblind, so they actually
You-
wrote the numbers and assigned numbers to each fabric for me.
Thank you for your help. But you, yeah. 哇，他是色盲，但是他还是来帮忙。然后这边就是有写上数字，让他可以知道哪一些数字对上的颜色。
We make two sizes for the tall people and for the normal people.
So how many different colors that you guys have to make it?
We have green one.
The green one.
For wooden places.
For the process.
For the desert one, of the brown.
For the brown?
Yes.
Okay.
In winter we have
Snow one.
Snow one.
送出去的件数已经送出了2696。他们现在在介绍的是，他这里有一些物资，像是饼干啊，收集，然后可以送给就是需要帮助的人。
Okay, so for example, if there's a wounded soldier and he's in the hospital, but then he goes home to recover, he sometimes needs items to help with his recovery. So that might be bandages, it might be medicine. Unfortunately, it might be things like this, where they have somewhere clean and comfortable to lay down and sleep.
British tea?
It might be British tea.
Yeah, it's smell good.
It's very delicious tea.
Yeah.
So the crossing the border is not too difficult, and there are many opportunities to volunteer
Yeah, voluntary.
in Ukraine,
Yeah.
all over the country, not just here in Kyiv. Welcome to Kitty Pacheers, 3rd floor.
Third floor.
This is where we make our nets.
Hi. It's pretty big one.
These nets will cover the soldiers, their artillery, their tanks, other equipment. We need to weave every net by hand. It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of people. The process can be slow, but eventually it becomes what you see. So you can see how this would cover a tank or soldiers on the ground, where we roll the big pieces of cloth through the razor blades, and then it cuts it into pieces like this. Then what will happen is the soldiers and their leaders will call and they will say, we need a net that is this size or this size. We need green, beige, brown, black.
Black.
Or if it's the winter, we need white,
White.
black, brown,
Gray.
gray.
有一个就是完成的 finish one，大家可以看一下，还蛮轻的耶，not too heavy.
Not too heavy.
Yes, it's really good.
It's very good for the soldiers. We have an arrangement with one of the local post offices.
Oh.
It's called Nova Poshta. Nova meaning new, Poshta meaning post. And they send the nets for free to the soldiers at the front line.
How about the food or the thing that you want to?
So the food and the shoes and the medical equipment, we send that to local hospitals. And then the families take it home. But it's volunteers like our friend Leonardo from Austria,
Hi.
who's one of our foreign volunteers.
很高兴。
很高兴认识你。
Yeah, that's all I know.
他说很高兴认识你。Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you.
And may I have a question about why you are volunteering here right now, right?
Sure.
And how long have you already been here?
So this is my second time here. I was here for 1 month last summer. Now I'm here for like a couple of weeks again. And why? I mean, because I'm just so angry at what is happening to Ukraine and this country. And like for me, like 3 years ago when the full-scale invasion started, it was like such a shock. I never imagined that like something like this could happen in Europe again. As small we were child, we thought that like we have learned our lessons from the past, and such things could have never happened again. And then one day I wake up, and here it is.
Yes.
It's happening again, and that was like a big shock for me.
Yeah.
And I was just so angry.
Angry.
Yeah, at some point I decided like to take some time of my vacation and come here to help, because I also feel that like
We
I
can
mean-
do something. Maybe we can do something for them.
yeah.
I know you. That's why we're here.
Yes.
I can see that you want to cry.
A little bit.
Thank you.
You come from
Taiwan.
That's great. Like that's amazing. Also, like coming from the other side of the world, just to tell the stories. I think it's also so important. I'm doing something very little and small, and I could like always be doing more and everything. But every little thing I do, people here like are so thankful and like happy about it, and that's why it's so important. You know, I'm just like spending a few hours here doing. How much am I actually doing? But like, it's always like, that's amazing. We're so happy, and yeah, like it's just so touching to see this.
But yeah, my purpose is like you. So I just want to do more. I'm just a normal guy. I'm just doing my best. So I don't see you. Oh,
Is 2 1 2 1
Okay.
2 1 2 1 2 blah 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 blah. And so we create the net with the pattern.
它这边的话就是有个还蛮有趣的设计，它会剪2个洞，然后把它捞过来之后，你再把你的绳子穿进去，它就可以绑紧了。
Exactly.
Yeah.
But this takes a long time to learn this process. And it's not an easy process all the time.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good enough.
Okay.
So you got it right. Over 2, you're going to come
here.
under, and now you're going to go under 1.
这样子。我觉得我等一下应该是有机会可以上手的。
Very good.
Like this?
Yes? You're a natural.
Oh yeah. Right?
Yes, that's correct.
Or
Oh, which way can you go?
here.
Only up. Let's come out.
Um,
So now we're here. It can only go here.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
And then.
So 2, you got it. Under to here. So you're going to go under.
Oh. 哇，惨了！刚刚瞬间打乱我的思绪，这样 here。
Yep. Yes, that's right.
哦，它是一个上上下下的模式再去绑。哦，like this。
好这样。
这块我们完成了。
哇，这么快完成了吗？
对啊，不容易，但是很棒。
我一开始看到这个，我一开始看
要很久，对不对？
对啊。
结果其实你知道怎么去编织那个技巧，怎么绕的话，还蛮快的。现在是大概7点，要7点了，我们大概4点来。他们这边是早上10点开门，然后到晚上8点都可以有人来这边 volunteering， 就是来做一些编这个迷彩网。我刚刚有跟 Eric 讲说，你是唯一回我信的人。他说哦。因为其他的志工们也是这样跟他说，就是因为有一些可能志工团他们不会就是看 WhatsApp 啊，或者是看讯息或看信箱，他说对他一定会回，我就是很感谢，就是感谢他有回我。我想说可以买一下他们这边的产品，很有意义的一个东西，所以我想买这个，这多少钱？这个是550的，
对，
这个是550的。他说放这边哦。
对，你拍个照给他。
那个这边好。好的，买了。安东尼说这边是在地的自助餐店，对不对？连锁自助餐店，然后叫胖胖屋。为什么会吃胖胖？
它这个字是大腹便便的意思，但我们好记，所以把它唱成
胖胖屋。OK， 那我们进去看看。我们跟着安东尼来走，看要怎么点。哦，拿着这个盘子。
对，然后可以跟他讲。
他这边有写价钱，大家可以看一下。所以你要点什么的话，他这边是有价钱可以让你点的。然后你要拿吃的话，你就直接在下面这边拿就好了。好。听安东尼说这里的红汤必喝，是不是？
对，我觉得
哪一个是红汤？这个？
对，但是
要请他帮我们用。好，
就是中等价位，不是说特别便宜，也不是特别贵，但是就是大部分的人都负担得起。
大汤。我们的餐食来了，那刚刚我是400块，换算台币大概是
8432，大概320。对。
其实乌克兰物价没有偏便宜耶。
我们吃习惯不太一样啊，像我们都会喜欢吃饺子啊、面啊，或是饭啊。对。但是因为像我们点的就是一个主食、2个主食，这已经是
大主食类。
乌克兰人他们自己点的话，会点可能一个菜，然后可能一块肉，加上一坨薯泥。对，就是那个薯泥的部分。
所以它贵是贵在这个肉啦。跟
主食
是贵的。
对，
先吃吃看这次的饺子是不是甜的？因为他们刚刚说有可能会吃
有可能说甜的，就是里面包樱桃的那种。
没有，它是肉。
好棒哦。
对，跟我们通常习惯吃的饺子是不太一样的啦。它是皮是偏硬的。
对。
你有常来这边吃吗？
蛮长的，算蛮长的。意大利面我可以接受，然后当然红汤我很爱，所以我觉得没啥问题。
应该好吃。因为我们有看警报，乌克兰这边是有一个 APP， 是可以在上面看到，就是目前的有没有可能会有 Air Alert， 可能等一下会发布，因为这边已经全部都红色了。然后安东尼刚刚有跟我讲说，大概目前他看到的是无人机有150到200架，因为他们上面都有群组会分享，就是目前的状况，说好穿的鞋子，然后带外套，我现在把外套穿上去，然后把我们的水还有包包全部都准备好。他叫我先去大厅等，所以我们就先去大厅吧，去那边等待。现在我们要跟着饭店去防空洞的地方。哦，
这里面还有床，对，
哇，
饭店的。
它防空洞很大。哦，还有床哎。哦，所以它的防空洞就是大概是这个大小。如果大家听到警报声的话，会往这边。所以他们有办法塞满整个饭店的人吗？
应该是不止一间啦。如果他们饭店这个规模的话，应该不止这一个。
感觉路上的人都蛮淡定的，他们就是慢慢滑手机，就是他们应该是会看大概就是距离位置是在哪里，因为我自己是没有听到很 大的声音。我刚刚是有开 app 嘛，所以它警报其实是 app 会直接响，就是你的手机就开始叫了。它饭店的隔音效果有点好，所以其实里面听不太到。我刚刚想说有叫吗？因为是我手机在叫，我手机叫超大声的。然后我说赶快关掉，因为我觉得就整个饭店都很安静，就只有我在那边叫。所以我刚刚去看了一下外面，外面确实有叫，但是现在已经停下来，就是没有声音了。各位，现在呢，我们来到志工团，他们在这个周末刚好有在公园旁边这边有办一些公益的小活动，我觉得很可爱。我刚抵达就看到他们在跳舞，超 Q。现在要来做花束了。So we need to clean this, OK？ 我们要把这个上面的都拔下来，然后它这个所有钱都是会拿去捐赠给做网子当做预算啊。对，因为他们现在要做那些迷彩网也是需要钱，希望邻居们可以来一起帮忙。
How to put these small buckets together?
OK.
So this is one is good.
One is good. Mine is not good.
Not good because like here one layer.
Oh, the same level.
Yes,
OK.
the same level.
OK.
This way. Put it here and then and put it here.
哦，
Another one.
我应该没有做错吧？应该是，好，应该是有。对，结果后来变成老师帮我做，因为我做的有点奇怪。哎，老师超强的，我刚刚做的超奇怪，结果老师一个变身就变成那么漂亮的花圈了，超厉害。OK，Thank you。等一下，他们就是要戴完这个头圈，然后开始跳舞了。耶，我耶！你看，我们上个舞。Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, 三哥。除了做画画之外，你们也可以来这边帮忙一起做这个手工网。一个活动有不同的摊，可以让大家去做体验。这个就是他们送出去的那种迷彩网子，可以把人盖起来，然后军人们就可以躲在这个里面，不容易被发现。而且它这边还有那个手可以伸出来，大家可以看一下，它是一个可以直接穿的，
这叫吉利服。
它就是堵起来的。
OK
这有点困难，你知道吗？
对啊
但它真的很轻我有吓到它，超轻
对啊，
这对于军人来讲说是真的是一个很棒的一个演示。这个是我们在就是里面也有看到的，就是它有那个帆布袋，我有买的一个小包。哎，它小包也很可爱耶！哦，小包很可爱耶，因为我原本是带大包。小包确实很可爱，觉得好像可以再买一个，感觉不错。这边就是左邻右舍他们提供的一些点心，大家可以来这边买一些蛋糕啊，或是他们自己手做的派。这个应该是 cherry cake，cherry pie。Cherry and cottage cheese。哦。
Butternut sure.
干嘛？你想要吃这个？
So they want this
One cookie and one cake。
Okay.
看起来很赞哎。Smoke drink。哇。哦，这个 ，Yeah, I like it。这是台湾的那个乌梅汁，I know this. Also in Taiwan we have the same, like a palm juice. Yeah, 乌梅汁很好喝。Thank you. 很好喝哎。好的，很开心这次来这边参加志工营，那也觉得他们在做的事情都很有意义。希望大家就是有机会也可以透过不同方式来帮助乌克兰。那希望大家喜欢。那我也蛮开心，在这边有认识到蛮多很温暖的人。希望这场战争可以赶快结束，希望世界和平。谢谢大家，下期见，拜拜。